Has someone ever told you about something and like you shrug it and say, "Sure, not important," and then later down the road or years to come you realize, damn, if only I listened to John Brown, I would be better off now, or I would be benefiting from this thing. Well, life insurance is one of those things, and the reason why this happened to a lot of individuals is that nobody take the time to explain the importance of the thing they are suggesting or referring to you. So in this video today, I will be sharing with you 5 things you need to know about life insurance. So you'll probably be of the view like, oh, me not paying insurance because I did left money that me not gonna benefit. But that's far from the truth. So in this video today, I will be sharing with you 5 things that you need to know about life insurance. So I remember some time ago my friend called me and I was like, yo, do you have life insurance? I'm like, no. Why do I need it? And he was saying like he's going to get a house or he's going to get a mortgage, and the bank is asking him if he has life insurance, or he was pretty much saying that he needs life insurance. And I was saying, why the hell you're going to buy your house and you need life insurance? That's your business. If you want to have life insurance or not, that's your business. But then it hit me, if you have a mortgage, right, and you're supposed to die tomorrow, the bank is in the business of making money. They're not in the business of losing the money. And the bank don't have the time to go and torment your family and friends and relatives to get that money from them. So the first thing you need to know is that in order to get a mortgage, you need life insurance. So that's the first thing you need to know. If you're going to buy a house, you need life insurance. So it's either you're going to take it out and bring it to the bank, or the bank is going to take it out on your behalf. And you don't want the latter because you're not going to be getting the best deal. Now, the insurance the bank is going to take out on your behalf is not the regular life insurance, right? So they're going to take out a creditor's life insurance. Pretty fancy name, right? No big deal. It's really simple. It's just pretty much an insurance that in the event that you die or a person or somebody dies, then that insurance will take care of their obligation, whatever loan or mortgage they have. Now, the second thing you need to know is that it protects your family in the event of death. Now, let's say you are the sole breadwinner of the family. You have a nice little 3-bedroom house, nice little family, right? And let's say we're supposed to you drop dead right now, God forbid, but let's say that was supposed to happen. All you who own that house, all of that mortgage becomes payable effectively immediate. Now your little son or daughter just go to school, you just get your house, and nice little husband or wife, they home, right? Then this go happen, and they are not working, they don't have any income to pay off the house. Then they're going to be destabilized. They're going to be losing the house if you didn't have that insurance to protect them. And I'm sure you don't want that. Remember, it's not yours until it's paid off. So if they can't pay the mortgage, you know who's going to sell their property. Now, the third thing you need to know is that you can actually benefit from life insurance while you're still alive. Now, it's important to know that there are 2 different types of life insurance out there. You have whole life insurance and then you have term life insurance. And as the name suggests, they're kind of self-explanatory. So for the whole life insurance, that's going to cover you for the entire duration of your lifetime while you're living. But for the term life insurance, it's going to cover you for a specific period of time. Let's say, for example, if you take out a term life of 15 years, after the 15 years, that's it. You pretty much don't have any more insurance. Nothing to get after that 15 years is up. Now with the whole life insurance, which covers you for the entire duration of your lifetime, that comes with a nice investment portion which you can benefit from in the long term. So it's like part of your money is going towards your life insurance, and then another part is going toward equity or investments, and this is most of the time referred to as the cash value portion of your insurance. Now the cash value portion will grow over time, and compound interest, once you hear about investment and equity, it will appreciate over time, and you can actually benefit from this cash value. So if you decide to cash in your life insurance early, right, you can get a nice little lump sum, but not too early. So you're not going to go and take out life insurance tomorrow and then expect the boy you're gonna give it up and get a lump sum. No, this is gonna take some time. So you'll definitely get back your cash value portion minus the fees. So let's say you're in your late 50s, right? Like 58, 59, and you finish pay off your mortgage, and at that point you decide to, boy, you no longer need life insurance, and you decide to cash in your life insurance policy, right? Then guess what? You'll be getting a nice little lump sum that you can use towards your retirement. I guess you can use it to retire earlier if you want. And not only that, you can borrow against your life insurance policy at very low interest rate. And here's another thing. Let's say at some point you can't afford to meet that monthly obligation and you have that cash value there. You can then withdraw from your cash value and then use that to pay your life insurance premium for the month. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is that the earlier you get your life insurance, the better it is for you. The less you're going to be paying in premiums, that is the monthly amount that you're going to be paying each and every month. And there's no set amount that an individual will pay. I might go today and get a different policy from somebody else because of like my health condition and so forth. Whether you're a male or female, those things affect how much you pay. So make sure you do some additional research and then decide what's best for you. Oh, and I almost forget, if you're a smoker, you're going to be paying a higher premium. And number 5, don't stop paying your premium. When you take out your life insurance, you don't want to say take it out today and think you're going to be covered for a lifetime without continuously paying your monthly premium. What will happen in a case where you stop paying, your policy will lapse, and you don't want that. So if your policy lapses, you will no longer be entitled to those benefits, and it's like you pretty much throw away some money that you paid for previous months. And number 6, which is a bonus, it helps you to build family generational wealth. And number 6, which is a bonus, it allows you to build generational wealth. Now there's this Bible scripture that speaks about a good man leaves an inheritance for his children. Now think about it. You might be looking at it and say, hey, it's dead money, you're not going to benefit. But how about, let's say your parents, just assuming if they had passed on, they did have a nice life insurance policy, and when they died, they handed down that to you. Not only you got a start in life, you wouldn't have to deal with the funeral burdens. You wouldn't have to be dipping in your savings to take care of those funeral emergencies. That life insurance money that was passed down to you as the beneficiary would be used to offset those costs. And you know, as a young professional or whoever you are in your stage of building wealth, you don't have to interrupt what you're saving or your emergency fund to take care of that emergency. And this setbacks a lot of young people. You can do some more research on that, especially in the United States. This set back a lot of first generational wealth builder because our previous generation don't hand down anything to us like life insurance. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.